I thought I should just update you on this. Izolo was the 10th of October. As you know, that South African Human Rights Commission summoned us to court, and we went to court. And after court, we then decided with some patriots, let's go and support Bafana Bafana because there was a soccer match between Zimbabwe and South Africa in Moses Mabhida Stadium. And we went, and I must say, I sat there and I observed the attitude of South Africans towards foreigners. Guys, we are sitting on a time-ticking bomb. Now, it even went to a point where South Africans were like, asifuna ukuhlala nani, hambani niyohlala le. Now, this was because of the attitude, the arrogance. Some Zimbabweans badelela, guys. And South Africans are like, not here. That was the attitude that I've observed is all. South Africans are heartful. And, if government is not going to do anything about this immigration crisis we are facing as a country, we are on a time-ticking bomb. It's going to explode anytime soon. And I don't think government is ready for that. But I thought, let me just share my experiences. Since I was with the masses, a stadium, and I sat there and I observed. But yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, ne. I came Monday here. You saw the video, girl. You saw the video. I have a feed. Also, not to do like Munloi. Also, what to do like Munloi. Munloi serious. Munloi. And even people who follow Tutula. Kebaloi serious. So you want to bring your xenophobia to us football fans. I never thought, I'm a Pirates fan, let's say back here. I'm Pirates number last supporter. So I love football. So I never thought I'd make a video where I combine politics and football. I always talk about politics. I always talk about social ills on the side. Then keep like a polo Pirates and stuff. But now Muloi owner wants to bring his xenophobia in football. Muloi Gwen, I want to tell you something. When Zandile Muloi, you will fail. It won't happen in football. Many of us football lovers, I shame. We have beautiful hearts. We have beautiful hearts. So when you go to a stadium, I don't know whether it was the first time going to a stadium, you never saw tension between rivals, between opponents. You never saw that. It happens right here in South Africa during the Soweto Derby. It happens. Even though we sit together, but sometimes it still happens where you see Chiefs fans fighting Pirates fans or Pirates fans fighting Chiefs fans. Sometimes it's just verbal. Most of the time it's verbal. Plus, with us football fans, most of the time it's verbal. That's how sometimes we enjoy football. We make fun of Chiefs players. We make fun of Chiefs fans. They make fun of us. We make fun of Sundowns. They make fun of us. That's how football is. It's rival. So when you go there, it's Bafana versus Zimbabwe. You don't want Zimbabweans fans to come and support their own country, to come and support their own team. They should stay away from stadiums. What was your reason there, man? And South Africans were angry. The South Africans were angry. We were angry because Bafana drew that match. We were supposed to win that match. Bafana drew that match, and we want to go to the World Cup. That's how maybe South African fans were angry. Not because people were Zimbabweans. Is it the first time you go to the stadium, Marvin? And using your silly logic again, other King fans should not go to the stadium when Bafana is playing. We're going to play against Rwanda. So people from Rwanda should not go to the stadium. Because I don't know, the country will ban. The country will ban go stadium. Go take your hate somewhere else. Don't bring it to our stadiums. Don't bring it to soccer. You are full of hate when I'm like when. You're not pele fail. Pele into if fail. Pele how? Sis man. A grown woman filled with hate. A grown person filled with hate. Wherever you go, it's just hate. And you want to bring it to our soccer stadiums. You want to bring it to our football stadiums. You'll fail, excuse me. You'll fail. Like I said, it happens. It happens even with a same team. Born, Baba. Lebabon, those are Chiefs people fighting Chiefs. It happens, Go Stadium. We don't want it. We have our own way to deal with it. Rona as soccer fans, Rona as the soccer or football fraternity, we have a way of dealing with hooliganism. And there, I watched the game, Bafana. There was no point where South Africans wanted to beat up Zimbabwean fans. So stop lying. Stop lying. Beat them up for what? Because they're Zimbabweans. South African fans are not fools, man. South African fans are not fools. Would they want to beat up Zimbabweans because they are Zimbabweans coming to watch a football game? That's Zimbabwe between Bafana. Man, you're a party now. Think, man, Tutula people. You're a party now, man. You want to talk about trusting in what's wrong with the country? You have never said anything about what he says. Not to go to Mkwanas, about what he says. You have never said anything with this drug cartel should be found. You want to deflect and talk about Zimbabweans in. Check this. Get Sundowns who foot happy. But you know what? What I find interesting, Rona soccer people, Rona football fans, to show happy we have beautiful love, even when we are fighting other teams. Check this guy out. You would have left that guy to go down and die, to fall and die. If that guy was Tutula, believing that Tutula nonsense of yours, you'd have left another person to die and you'd be happy just because they are not South African, they are a foreigner. Sis, man, you're full of hate, man. Serious, man. This Zandile walona ke moloi, man. Sis. Baloi golona. Man. Anyway, Bafana is going to play tomorrow. I hope he's going to win. Fans, Shobo Tutula, what we made of. We go out there, we support Bafana. Bafana wins. Whether there's a guy from Rwanda in China, we're going to support Bafana at the stadium. And South Africa is going to win. Yes.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. It seems like inkulu into likwatisa abantu bebhola kuleya video ya Zandile Dabula whereby she was saying ukuthi observe something ngalesikana lapha estadium eMabhida Stadium ayebukela iZimbabwe neSouth Africa last week Friday. Washo nje ukuthi observile ukuthi Zimbabweans were disrespecting South Africans and South Africans sekayabona nje simvela ukukhulumela kuleya video. So people are dragging ugirl saying ukuthi umloyi. This guy is even saying ukuthi umloyi umthakathi, you are full of hate, ugcwele inzondo ufuna kuthatha ihate yakho uyifake ngisho nala ingahlangani khona Ngikutho ukuthi bowucala kuba sestadiumini mawukuthi ubone le nto lutho wena uyinothисile because vele stadium kuhlezi kunje because kudlalwa isoccer laphana and it's different teams lapha ngibafavor lokhu lapha ngibafavor lokhu ngalilela i-South Africa ubantu be-South Africa they were frustrated ukuthi abakori o lokusho ukuthi ngeke baqualify phela ukuthi bayodlala i-World Cup next year. So wena yini lelo uyibonile wa-observe kangaka? So people are saying ukuthi ufuna kuhlukanisa rada kuhlukanisa abantu besoccer so khathele abantu bepolitics ofuna kutela le video zandile uyende last week Friday but ngisho kumanje no even today people are still stitching leya video bakhulume ngayo dragging her saying ukuthi ukhathele ngemakliniki nasetibhedlela manje so yetitedium la khona bekabafuna ngisho nema-ID. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.